everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. I'll be going over the easy steps for connecting a Bluetooth speaker just like this one. This is actually the Bose Soundlink Flex SE Bluetooth speaker, and it's really easy to connect to your device. Now you can do this through the app, which is a little bit more complex, but still rather easy for the most part, or you can just do this like a regular Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to show you how to do it like a regular Bluetooth speaker, which is basically the fewest amount of steps. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is turn on the Bluetooth speaker, and this lady is staring at me to the side of me because she's wondering, I don't think she sees the camera, but she can hear my voice because I'm super loud, and she can see me going like this, so she's wondering, what the heck is this guy doing? And now she probably sees the camera as she walks by. Now she knows that I'm not crazily talking to myself. So we're going to show you how there's a lady walking. It's just, these things happen all the time because I film on the side of the road and in parking lots and stuff, and it's in my basement. And these things happen just because I don't have a studio. I film wherever, so it's just part of my filming routine. So here's how to connect the Bluetooth speaker. First and foremost, you want to turn it on, okay?
Battery 80%.
So it's just told me the battery's at 80% and it's ready to connect. Now the blue light is flashing beside the Bluetooth logo right there, which means it's ready to connect. What you're going to do next is you're going to go on your device. So I'm going to get my phone out right over here, okay? And I want you to listen to what it says. I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings. So I'm going to my Bluetooth settings over here, and what you're looking for is Bose Flex SE Soundlink, okay? So you're looking for Bose Flex SE Soundlink, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on Bose Flex SE Soundlink, and that's going to connect it. Now listen closely. When I click it right over here, you're going to hear it.
Connected to Michael's iPhone.
Connected to Michael's iPhone. It's connected to my iPhone. Very simple and straightforward. It's now connected and it's ready to go. And that is literally how to connect the speaker. You turn it on, you make sure that it's ready to be connected, and then you tap on the actual logo on your, the actual, not icon, the word of the speaker, which is the Bose Flex SE Soundlink on your Bluetooth settings on your phone. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna disconnect it over here. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna disconnect it. So from the Soundlink over here, I'm going to forget this device, okay? And it's gonna disconnect. Okay, now I believe so Michael's Michael's iPhone disconnected, ready to connect. So literally it's telling me that my iPhone is disconnected and it's ready to connect. And that's it. I'm disconnecting from my car as well. I just connected to my car, and I don't like having my phone connected to Bluetooth to my car while I'm filming because sometimes I get a call and it pops on the car. Anyways, that's how to connect the, I was just talking out loud at that point about what I was doing just so I could know myself what I was doing and I'm not going crazy. Anyways, that's how to connect it. It's easy to do. When you see the blue light flashing, you know you're good to go. If you're already connected to a device and you want to disconnect it, I believe you just press this down, and you press and hold it down, and I believe it will disconnect and be ready to connect to another device. So let's say you are connected to a device and you don't want to be connected to that one anymore. You press and hold this down, or you just press it quickly, I can't remember, and it will disconnect and you'll get that blue flashing light again, which means you're ready to connect once again. And that is it. That is how to connect the Bose Soundlink Flex speaker. Easy steps for connecting it to Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it off right now, and it's turned off. And that is literally it. It can't be easier than that. Turn it on, make sure it's ready to connect. It'll flash that blue light and it'll tell you it's ready to connect. Go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, which is likely your phone or your tablet or whatever, and click on the specific Bluetooth device once it finds it that says Bose Flex SE Soundlink. That's the one you're looking for. There's no Bluetooth code that you have to enter in, nothing like that. You literally just click it and it's connected, and then I told you also how to disconnect it and connect it to a different device. And that is truly it for this, I'll try that again. And that is truly it for this easy peasy, super breezy video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.